Your top of the morning. Your boy is a little late. I had to fix the live real quick. Something that I saw that it was not fixed. So I had to go ahead and end the live and fix it, but we here. Alright, so we end up opening we ended up opening in discount level. Not really much of a gap, as already we have filled the 9:30 opening gap for NQ, so we already in premium. And ES, we just dip into the 9:30 opening range gap. It just like dip into it, so nothing crazy. All right, I do have this showing and this showing on the lower intervals, and this I would just have it here, just have an idea. I am looking at as well how we dip into this. We wicked into this daily inverted FEG from yesterday. As in yesterday midnight. For ES, we have somewhat the same, but the difference was it was into this volume balance and this as this not this but this daily inverted imbalance right here as well. Yeah, we had multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches inside this area. So I mean, I don't have it highlighted because again I don't want to have too much in my chart, but it is what it is. So I do believe we have news today. Let me check. Gotta make sure. Yes, we do. We have a red folder today. Alright. We have a red folder today, you know? Alright, make sure. Alright, I also do see here that after the sweep on the sell stop right here from previous day, we did retrace back into this area in here. Yesterday I was doing a study case and I mentioned that I would like to see her gap into here, which will lead to a possible gap in discount, which it did happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, mark this up. Of course, I'm gonna put this another color. One hour busy by sign efficiency, sell sign balance. What is the low here? 1325. We got that. What is the high? This candle. 30. Wait, is it 30? Oh, 89. 89 in the quarter, in 2 quarters. How that marked up, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I need to get one of them big ass screens so everything just connect. Cause I got like 3 screens, but they're all connected to each other. It is what it is. I just noticed I marked that for ES. Alright. Alright, for NQ we have not followed up inside that 1 hour. Yo, what is wrong with my thing? That's what it is. As for for NQ, we have not followed up into our 1 hour in here, but we're still gonna mark it up. Although we did, it came into this area in here. Make sure I'm not using my Wi-Fi from. Yeah, I don't wanna be using my Wi-Fi and shit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this 1 hour inverted FEG, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark as well as this volume imbalance. This 1 hour volume imbalance, so it could be the whole thing. What is the open of this candle? 63 and 2/4. What is the high? Ball 125. All right, I'm also going to delineate this 1 hour inverted that we have. I'm just gonna go ahead and just mark it up just like this. What is the low? 3150, 3150, 94.75. But I'm just gonna only have it in this area for now, because I'm just looking at it. 94.75. Yes. Again, I'm just gonna mark it here because I just want to know what it's gonna be doing, because currently it's still not our time yet to be trading. So as you guys know, that we did have a rejection for ES on that 1 hour compared to NQ, and we don't have a 1 hour inverted. But we do, but it's very, very small, so I'm not really paying attention too much to it. But we ain't gonna neglect it either. Sure if it says. Might be a little blurry, but hopefully don't go that crazy. We're gonna have to get like a better router, cause we got like T-Mobile or something. If anybody knows, give me some suggestion in terms of what Wi-Fi is really good, like personal Wi-Fi. All right, so currently we still rejecting off these this 1 hour, and we are deep in, not super deep, but we are in deep discount for ES. I mean for NQ, and we are also in deep premium for NQ, and we are also in premium for ES. She just filled the 930 with buy side. Now she is filling it with sell side. But I'll go ahead and show you guys. Right here, regular trading hours, you go all the way to the bottom. This is NQ right here. You guys can see we filled it with buy side, coming back down with some possible sell side. As you can see for ES, we balanced out with buy side, and now we are coming down to balance it out with some sell side. The little return back that we are for NQ, it is inside a 1 hour buy side efficiency, sell side balance. Okay, now it's not hard thing is running smooth. So And again, be mindful that we are inside a daily buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance. So I'm gonna be very picky today. But if she does go up higher into here, I'll have an idea of where I'll be seeking into. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my thing today. Got like 12 minutes, so I'm gonna see how we close in terms of this 1 hour inverted FEG. Alright, so currently we still trading above it. So we are back into premium after opening in discount. So with it, you know what? I'm gonna have to deal with that. Because why? Yes. Look at that. That's crazy, bro. Our thing is all over the place. It's tough, bro. It's tough. It's somewhat good. It's not like super good. Okay. I like the sweep that we have gone into here. Just waiting to see how we go about it. Let me check again. Did we? I feel like we did. Yes, we did. Okay, we did. It just looked like I thought that we did it. I'm bugging, son. What is the high? 72. 91.25. It's all over the place, game. But it is what it is. I'll be okay. She don't come back into this area down here. And then bounce off this 5 minute. It is 9:50, so that's we are entering micro right now. Got 7 more minutes of this 1 hour inversion. We should have that delineated, have that markup. Got 6 more minutes. Now, if she does end up going back going back lower, I do have an idea where I would like to see her run into. So if she end up going back lower from premium, we do target these as well as these on the lower quadrant. Put the line just to, yeah. So that's just me though, but in order for that to happen, I would like to see this 935 get filled on NQ, because we didn't really have too much of a too much on ES, you guys can see, although we do have the same area, but in terms of it not being touched, this already been touched for ES but not for NQ, and as well as this area here. So this could be touched if we have NQ come all the way down into this 1005 from previous day. I got his weight. All right, I'm gonna take this off because we already traded 2 and through, and then went back below and traded below as well again. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this area in here. Currently we're still trading above this 1 hour inversion, so I want to see how we in 3 minutes we close. But it's the high 61 flat, 70 3/4. just like that. And then you can see a nice calm sweep that we also had. I'm gonna have that marked up so I could have an idea, because we came into an efficiency with ES and liquidity for NQ. So just have that marked up down here. And then we can also see a sweep on sell stops. Oops. It's funny how it looks different, but it is what it is. Oh no, what is the low? Okay, I thought I had it wrong. Alright. We got like about 50 seconds or so. And we are gonna go higher. I want to see this get traded to get traded above, and this candle be traded above. Because being below is just gonna create some little chaos. But again, it could just be that she could just want to go back a bit lower, which I will understand, because currently we are on ES. We are bidding discount, well, already in discount for ES, but for NQ we not. You guys can see where we closed. We're still respecting this 1 hour. Got this 5 minute that still being respected as well, and this one as well. Nice calm rejection from here. That is. Okay. $59.75. He's had another sweep above here. Oops. Currently back into these 5 minutes. Which put us back deep in discount for ES and still in premium for NQ. Got 5 more minutes in here. I want to see. $6.75. $91.75. All right, so look at that. NQ is moving more. I mean, ES is moving lower, more aggressively. Let's see how we go about this area here. We just ran over 930 lows. Back into our 1 hour. Still currently dropping, so we'll go ahead and line up our sell stop for ES 58.50. Some sell side just in case. Yeah, so we end up closing below that area. Just wait a bit. I don't like how this looks at all. currently right now inside this 5-minute invert FEG, up and down, up and down, and between this 1 hour inversion and this 1 hour buy side efficiency, sell side balance. I want to see this here get filled. Cause I'm already at 100%. It right now. If she's gonna go higher, then I would like to see her trade above our 1 hour inversion and then fill this area up. Let's see. I'm gonna take this off. Still waiting. What was this? Also, I'd like to see at least this get filled. And then it being in sync with ES. We deep in discount right now for ES. Premium for NQ. And then this one we're still getting respected. So many back and forth. So different, bro. Why? Let me see if it just when you put the line that shows like that. What is the high here? 94.75 and the low 31.50. No, yeah, it's the same. No, not really the same. Wait, whoa. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the lines because I don't like how it's just showing in the lower time frame. So you're gonna go ahead and mark it up. This better. What is the high? 34. Okay, boom. Get that marked up. Let me change this color though. This 1 hour. Yeah, way better. Alpha coins right here. Go all the way up there. Let's see how she going to react from here. Still not adding anything right now. Looking at this area here at 10:02. This is why I do like a lot big gaps at 9:30 being formed, cause we have 9:35, which we have some sort of rejection from, and then we have 9:50 to 10:10, which is the micro, and if it's a small gap, there's a possibility price is gonna balance both sides of the market, which leaves us or me with rangy market like this, where we are in between and not interested in anything. So the best thing for me to do is just stay put, even though she is, somewhat over lower here, but it's just not, something that itchy to press a button on. So in the meantime, just stay put. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and move, or see if she wants to go ahead and, because we got some equal lows down there, and then we have this 5 minute. So yeah, so it's like calm sell off, choppy though, from here all the way, taking out these lows, which are, as well as the relative equal lows from this low here at 10:45, doing Asian range previous day, and 10 a.m. today, to then a little deeper into, like I said, into the lower quadrant in here, into this 5-minute BISI. And if you do dive lower, then this will be the next area. Hey man, market been shitty lately. Like it been moving different. Oh Lord, thank you. Oh, thank you for everything. Alright, so now we are pushing a bit, pushing higher. I'm looking at this 1006 right here, 1 minute inversion. After after it was created at 1017. So currently right now we're above it. We don't really have so much on NQ in terms of that. You see it's filled, but this is still the same as NQ. This is another 5-minute we have marked up after we mentioned that if price do go lower, it's gonna come to here, lower after already again doing so at 9:35. We did jab into here and we traced back into this 5-minute when it also did on the previous day. Did today at 10. On the hourly, it's just again, it's just showing it being respected. Oh. How's the dollar doing? Okay, she did ran these equal lows, these outside that we have marked up. Currently. Yeah, still not in anything right now. Yeah, you can see our shit is a little bit naggy. Okay. Yeah, we're good on that so far. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be a day where we don't really do much unless we get some sort of rejection higher. Oh Lord. Currently got my eyes seeing. Again, I'm not in anything. If she runs these equal lows and back into this 5-minute right here. We do have a daily in here that we have mentioned. Okay, still pushing. Kind of big ass pimple right here. This is what it is. Alright. Currently right now we are trading below a 1 hour for 1 hour busy for you guys. Going back into the 5-minute busy. We had marked up. How we doing the week? Form nope. Nope. Alright. Currently about to reach these lows down here. Again, from a sweep at 10:01 into these area here, back into here. I'm about to take the low on 10:04 and the equal lows, and as well back into this 5-minute in here. I'm not in anything yet. There she goes, right there. Hit that, and we're about to run into these right here anytime soon. Alright, so currently both of them in discount. There she, yep, there she goes. See, there we go, right into it, right into it. So from this 1 hour in here back into this 1 hour in here. Still not anything. And now we are inside this 5-minute busy. 475, 84. 83.50. Let's see if she goes in even deeper. Alright, I'm gonna try to sell right here in a bit if she continue pushing down lower. Are we looking on ES? And what is the literally, bro, nothing. As soon as we got in, boom, took us out. And they even went over our limit, 500, when we have it at 480. Fucking spread, bro. Ay, 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 ay. It is a major headache, dogs. There you go. Try getting to the so right here. As the sheet went down lower, and look at that. Yo, this market are shitty, dogs. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. That's SAL for today. Yeah, 500 for the day. Yeah, this makes no sense. It is what it is, though. I'm not even mad, bro. What happens when you become impatient? Even though I was not impatient, because I seen that from here, even though we was in discount, to dive a little bit lower. But yeah, honestly, I'll take the blame. Yeah, I was not patient at all. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I'm not even mad about it. Mess around now, we see some rejection now from this area here to the upside. Let's see. Market been shitty, man. Shitty diddy. Shitty, bro. Took one trade, done for the day, so I'm just looking at price, looking at it right now. But we did end up taking a short down here, and again, we have an automatic stop loss, and on this candle, just clean us out. Clean us out. Here's what it is, man. It is what it is, man. Man, it's tough too, dog, because it's like come back from like my job and everything, man, going to sleep at 3 or 4 in the morning, doing study cases, continuing, keeping it the same. It's tough, man. But what I love about myself is the fact that I'm able to just find a way to just push through it. Seek the good, not the bad, but the good in all. You know, just pushing, 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 pushing. This is tough, man. Like, it's really, really tough. Not impossible, but it's so tough, man. You know, it's just, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't come all the way down here and go ahead and do that to me, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that shit, bro. Cause that is some wild shit. It's crazy, man. Even from getting into here, you know, I would have to have like the second intervals just to get a nice entry when she came back into this area here into the 1 hour inversion to see what was imbalance on that area. But honestly, even if I get into here like a couple times, it would have hit our loss for the day. But man, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the day loss. You guys can see. This was the loss today. As you guys can see, I only have one more funded account currently. I'm still taking these challenges. For the simple fact that yesterday we went below the 25,100 mark, which was 25.83. Yo, bro. These markets are so shitty, bro. Oh my goodness. Like, why? Like, why do that? Why take me out? Like, come on, brother. I've been in a crazy ass roller coaster. You gonna do that shit and deliver afterwards? Like, what the? Hey, man, this is like a calm remedy, I guess. Yo, this is crazy, bro. This is insane. Like, we literally have a 480, which is basically 30%. It went over maybe 35 to 40% because of the spread. And then boom, the trade just automatically collapsed because I have it. So if I'm so focused into the trade and don't place a stop loss, I already have one in place automatically set for 480, which is 30%. I take one trade a day, no more than that, because again, I'm just trying to build that discipline. Usually I'll end up taking 2 to 3 trades. Now I'm just taking one trade because I'm just taking one trade and then afterwards just practicing what it does afterwards, whether it hits TP, whether it hits stop loss, just looking at price again. Because even if my trade don't hit TP or doesn't go my way, doesn't mean it's broken. It just means that I just got to continue working on perfecting my entry, right? Continuing, understanding market condition at the same time, right? But it is what it is. And then this is ES taking out these sell side. And then 5 minute. You guys can see this 5 minute turn inverted after the close of 10:25. 10:30. It came all the way, respected, came below it. Now we are trading below this inverted. So both of them are inverted. But it did, let me see, maybe point something. Let me see what's the low. Yeah, we haven't yet hit the low, but it will. It's just annoying, dude. Like I'm literally telling myself, okay, I'm gonna take a sell from here, and Shorty had other plans. Like, she just wiped us out. Look at that, 35 point. And if we do the math, that's not even, what is it? That's like 300. It's not even 300. So you can see what type of spread we had. It ended up being like 450, 440, for something. Ay, brother. I can't make this up. Like, I cannot make this up, bro. This is crazy, bro. Like, God, give me a sign. Give me something. Give me a sign, man. Like I said, man, I give it up to myself, man. Usually, if I go back and if I go back to the OB, I would have broke like into pieces. And I'm like, I'm holding it down. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, inside, I want to just, you know how you feel when, like, you ask your parents for something when you was a little kid, and your parents says no, and you have no other choice but to just be like, okay, I can't get it. You know what I'm saying? I won't be able to, you know, like, for example, if you want a candy, and she said, no, you can't get candy, and you start just, you know, stomping, going crazy. Like, in my mind, just seeing this play out, just going lower, like, I just see myself just punching mad walls. Even though I'm not gonna do that. Well, I don't got that, like, mindset to actually do that shit. I just suck it up and just move forward. But honestly, that's how I feel right now. Like, just inside, like, my emotion, like, I'm holding all emotion inside, where it's like, okay, I'm stomping, I'm just raging, I'm going crazy. But in the outside, I'm making sure I hold my own, and I tell myself, yo, everything is gonna be okay. Losses happen. In life, you're gonna go a lot, just like that little monitor you see at the hospital where it's just measuring your heartbeat. Sometimes you get a spike, sometimes you get a spike below, sometimes you're stable, sometimes you're unstable, but it's all about pushing forward. So that's all that's where faith for me just come into play. That's why I just be like, no, you know what, I'm gonna continue pushing, because I don't know when it's gonna be my time. I don't know when that door for me is gonna open, and it's gonna stay open. It's gonna allow me to just build multiple opportunities, not just for me but for others, and then continue pushing forward. That's it. I know why I'm doing this. I know why I'm doing it. That's the reason why I'm continuing to show up every single day, no matter what. No matter the losses, no matter the gains, no matter what it is, I'm still showing up every day because I have faith that one day, I'm gonna put everything together and I'm gonna attain all that is written for me. Period. That's it. Like, it is what it is. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Like, I'm more happy the fact that I'm literally saying where I want to see price get into, right? And what I don't want to see price do. She's doing it. Not in the way that I want to see her do it. You see, like, for example, when she came into here, or like, even if I would have gone into here, I would have gotten stopped out. And then seeing her right all the way down lower. Me and you, look at that. Yes. Again, dollar's going lower too. Yes. She did get a nice little spot into here compared to NQ. She fell short. But I'm looking at this right now. How we react so far. Giving a nice little reaction, especially after some sweep. Look at that. This was the move right here, brother, man. Nice calm one. Man, you gotta be patient, dogs. Paciente, loco. Even though it's not like all the greatest move, but it's what we be looking for. There's like 100-point plus just on this little push up on higher. You know? The area we spoke about, look at that. Like, in my head, I'm processing this. Like, okay, that short was not, ideal. Not the best. Sometimes it could deliver, sometimes it don't. And that's fine. But we need discount. We could have been looking for at least some buys, seeing if we could get some nice, calm pushes. But like I said, I'm not going to destroy my mind and telling me all these possibilities, all these bad things. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and just see what is it that price is showing me. Consume it, learn from it, and push forward. That's it. Well, I'm going to get mines. This is a nice calm move. Let's see. 2 minutes is going to be micro. Let's see if we get that. Continue pushing higher with the being in discount. Or whatever she wants to do. Oh man. not getting into no trade. I'm just looking how we stand. Sure, this is crazy, bro. 684. Making sure I have everything set up because it is what it is, bro. We push tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. This area is still getting respected. Bouncing off this order block here. This is ES. It's nice and calm inversion. Yeah, look at that. Looking like the dollar's still moving up. Or somewhat, but she is getting a little exhausted. There she goes. There she goes. She's pushing out a little bit higher. Plus, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, a little area in here. So I gave a calm one here, and then boom here. Give it another push. Give into it a little bit. Now she is pushing a bit higher. Nice calm little push up. Calmly. 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 What time was this? 10:22. Let's see what happens once she gets into this area. It is what it is, bro. I'm not even mad. Honestly speaking. Not even mad. This is ES. Took one trade and that's it. Literally. I took one. So I'm not even in this move. Again, I did take a sell into to get into this 5 minute. and she took us out with this candle, but then end up delivering to that area before running out some sell stops and shifting up to the upside. This candle right here got a area in here to get in one time, came back all the way. Again, if I have the second intervals, I will be able to see what it was that she came and reached into it. For ES, it was this candle. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. It was this inverted right here. 1 minute inversion after the creation of the close at 10:43. These are just my 5 minute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just take them all. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave them because I'm gonna do a study case later. So I'm gonna do my study case for later. But yeah, you guys see what's going on. But again, if I would have the second interval, I would be able to see what was imbalance or what allowed price to get driven all the way down there. I know in the second I would have been able to see maybe like a busy or some sort of inefficiency that got ran into, or even some liquidity. Who knows? I wouldn't know because I don't got the second intervals. Again, this is a 1 hour in here. She's still getting respected. We got 4 minutes and I'm out of here because I gotta go cool off, man. Literally. What time was this? 10:52. I want to go ahead and write this because it was created at micro 10:50 to 11:10 micro. So this is a good important area for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it up. If she does go higher, this will be an area to target that I'll be looking at, to be honest. I also could see some momentum is building to the upside. But let's see, man, because the way these markers are set up, dogs. Ass, brother. Ass, man. So this became inverted just to give us a touch into here. It's gonna be back into this area here. brother man. Alright, yo, it's 11. I'm about to just go and get out of here because I'm trying to cool off, and just being behind the chart's not really helping. I'll come back later tonight, and I'll do like a study case so I'll be able to understand and, you know, attain knowledge as to why everything happened and what can we do to fix it. Alright, so that's it for me for today. One trade, hit stop loss, done for the day. Appreciate y'all, love y'all. Hopefully you have a great, blissful day. And as always, 5 P's, proper preparation, prevent poor performance. That's all my mama always say. Be the first one to be in the room, and the last one to leave. Bye, y'all.